Welcome to my channel, and this is my second dashboard. The first dashboard few part it not completed. This one has completed successfully, but data tab won't completed in last video. So let's start this tab. So for this, add the tab name is data to, and after that also I can tell you that how to use the drill through also. So now I'm going to copy the name here and add the text box here first. So let's add the text box, paste here. Let's click on vertically, change the vertically. Then after, we'll adjust it. Adjust manually, don't have to. If you wanted to do that, you have a general option, you can adjust to. But I don't want to do that because I wanted to do quickly as much as possible. Then select the color, background color, whatever color you expected to see. Then next part is that I wanted to add the slicer here. So previous video I show that how to prepare the slicer, but since formatting is required, so let's add the go to insert and add the shape here. So select the rectangle shape and change it to the as a vertical shape. So nothing you have to do, just change the shape, nothing else. Say this manually. If you wanted to change, yes, you can change this by general option. Same here, you can adjust the site automatically change it. So, but I did manually because I wanted to do as much possible. So next, I don't want to give any color, so cancel the fill. Then copy your all slicer here from data tab. Select it. Let's select the all slicer here and copy and paste here. And here's prompt says, if I filter this tab, will it be allowed to filter this tab also? No, I don't want to filter that. I wanted to keep separate filter because I'm creating something different. Okay, let's talk about slicer. So slicer, I already told you that go to this control plus select all, disable all, then select this, select all. After that, keep the name of the name of the title of the slicer. So you can select that. Give the background color, what people expected to see. So you can change it as per the formatting. Next part is that I wanted to add the visual here. So for this, go to that table or matrix, whatever required. But here I've required the table. So select full name. Then I wanted to select city. Then I wanted to select directory name, sales provision, and then everything I added that. Continue that. You can add the rest per total columns like that. Let's come to the formatting once again. So the formatting part, column header, I want you to change header as a blue. Sorry, font color is white. Background color is blue. Okay. Then I wanted to little bit extend the header to be little bigger to good view. So now changes that successfully. After that, I would like to adjust that. So for this, let adjust little bit and adjust it to here. Now, next thing is that I want that uh, how to add the I wanted to use the drill through. So for this, add the filter here, whatever filter you wanted to use. So let use the city, let use the full name, then postal code, territory name, group name, state provisionals. So all totality, minimize it. Is expanded, so cancel the expand for all. Let's cancel it one by one. Yes, then successfully did it. Tab name behavior data 1. Now come to the sales tab and I wanted to map this one to data 1. So go select this button, add this you need to go to the shape, sorry, button, add the blank button, and give the name of button. You go to the printer, give the drill through name. After that, adjust your color and everything. Then come to the action, and select the data one here. Table name means table name. So that whenever I select that, automatically button will be display and come to the data tab automatically. Now there is option. This one is did successfully. Now next part is that if you reach there and this one is hiding. So user reach this, how to go back to this tab. So for this, add the back button here. So there is option called back button. Or you can add the blank button. Best way is that I wanted the blank button, and I used go to the action, page navigation, select none, then select cells tab and give the name. Go to back, back button. Let enhance the increase the font, back button. Okay, go back. You can add the go back or tab name whatever required. You can do that. So those things have been completed. Let's talk about I don't want to add this button. So then next, let's check it is drill through working or not. So for this, you can click here and say this drill through automatically highlighted. Let's not click here, instead of click here. So for this, it doesn't highlight until unless if you select any filter drill through. So now click here and say this. You will come to the directly and will filter it. Say this automatically filter it. Now go to the back button and come to the cells automatically. This is called drill through, and drill through is a really great feature. Allow you to export the visual particular part. Like suppose you want to export data in particular user, particular region, so you can do that. Particular person I want you to use the Linda data only. So click Linda data and go to the drill through and say this. Linda is appeared. So you can directly export it in Excel too by using visual. So that's best way to use it. And hope so. This is it doesn't use the much tax function here, and hope it will help you a lot while formatting and everything. I know that I didn't create much formatting here, but I have a copy here already created that. So I will save this copy. You can use it. So let me know if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit on subscribe button. Bye bye.